Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Antigua and Barbuda. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Antigua and Barbuda, an island sovereign state in the West Indies in the Americas, lying between the Caribbean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean, is primarily driven by agriculture, fishing, mining, as well as tourism, which plays an integral part in the country's economy. Forex trading around the world has become increasingly popular over the course of the last few years, and as newer traders are getting involved each day, finding a list of some of the best Forex brokers in Antigua and Barbuda, as well as worldwide, can be a difficult process, especially when searching for a list of trustworthy brokers who accept and offer their services to local investors from this country. So, in this video, we will be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Antigua and Barbuda. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Trading 212. Trading 212 is an online financial broker founded in 2006 and offers a wide range of market instruments to trade. Trading 212 is a global broker that is based in the United Kingdom and specializes in trading through Forex, commodities, stocks, and indices. Regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Financial Supervision Commission, Trading 212 is the UK's #1 trading and investment platform and is home to over 1 million traders. Their accounts feature demo, CFD, investing, and ISA accounts with lower minimum deposits, no commission charges, guaranteed stop losses, negative balance protection, a variety of base currency options, and more. Platforms are available on Trading 212's web and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Trading 212 also provides their very own educational center, which features a variety of helpful educational videos, written educational content, news and analytics panels, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Trading 212. At number 4 on our list is FP Markets. FP Markets is an Australian fully regulated online financial broker. Was established in 2005, serves over 1,200 clients around the world, and connects traders to the markets through electronic bridges and DMA pricing models. FP Markets offers traders access to trade over 13,000 products ranging from Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with a variety of tradable market instruments, access to their mobile applications, virtual private servers, lower spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FP Markets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library, ebooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies, a trader's hub that delves into various fundamental and technical analytical news, trading guides, market insights, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with FP Markets. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have Expert Option. Expert Option is a binary options broker regulated by the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission, or VFSC, focused exclusively on offering binary options and specializing in trading through all major and some minor Forex pairs. A selection of 16 popular cryptocurrencies, stocks of United States-based companies, and commodities. The trading platform offered by Expert Option is designed specifically for trading in binary options, is web-based, and supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts on offer include a free demo account, Micro, Basic, Silver, Gold, Platinum, and an exclusive invite-only account with access to a variety of educational materials, 24/7 customer support services, and more. Expert Option also offers their very own educational knowledge center, which delves into topics such as technical analysis, the psychology of trading, trading strategies, daily market insights, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as a library of featured video tutorials that you can browse through if you are looking for any additional educational trading knowledge with Expert Option. At number 2 on our list is Olymp Trade. Olymp Trade is a well-known online trading platform founded in 2014, which offers traders multiple different assets, including binary options. Safety measures and precautions are put first by this platform, and it is considered a financial organization that keeps the interest of its clients in mind at all times. Specializing in services and trading through Forex, commodities, stocks, indices, ETFs, and OTCs. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and their very own Olymp Trade application, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Olymp Trade offers a demo account and 2 main account types. Their basic account, which provides you with various strategies, indicators, and educational materials, and a VIP account with more benefits, from personal analytics to strategies and more. Olymp Trade also provides their very own Help Center, which delves into a variety of helpful educational topics such as guides in platform functionality, the basics of trading, beginner tutorials, Forex guides, trading strategies, as well as a daily blog that you can browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with Olymp Trade. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Antigua and Barbuda, we have IQ Option. IQ Option, a broker developed under the IQ Option Europe company, was founded in 2013, contains a CY/SEC license with permission to provide its financial services within the European Economic Area Zone, with several other licenses from other EU local jurisdictions. IQ Option specializes and offers services in binary options, stocks, shares, currencies, and ETF trading. Featured Platform is available on IQ Option's Ultimate Investment Platform, which is supported on iOS, Windows, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on Demo, Standard, and VIP accounts with lower minimum deposits, over 90 different types of underlying assets, 24/7 customer support services, access to their free mobile application, and more. IQ Option also allows traders to take part in their monthly online trading tournaments, which is an added bonus if you are feeling competitive. IQ Option also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a variety of trading tutorial videos, news, analytics, their very own trading blog and research center, and more, if you are looking to expand your education with IQ Option. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Antigua and Barbuda on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.